Are you tired of juggling multiple apps and logins just to pay your bills? Do you wish you had a single, streamlined system to manage all your accounts payable? If so, you're not alone. The hassle of tracking invoices, entering data, and reconciling payments can be a huge drain on your time and energy, especially for small business owners. But what if you could simplify the entire process and bring it all together in one place? That's exactly what Relay's Bill Pay is designed to do. It's a powerful tool built right into the Relay platform, giving you unprecedented visibility and control over your business's finances. So, how does it actually work? It all starts with getting your bills into Relay. You can easily create a new bill directly in the app, or you can use your unique bills inbox email address. This is a game changer. You simply forward invoices from vendors, and Relay automatically creates a draft bill for you. It intelligently extracts key information like the vendor, due date, and amount, saving you from tedious manual data entry. Once a bill is in your account, you can review it, categorize line items, and even add team members for multi-step approval workflows. This is perfect for ensuring every payment is authorized and properly accounted for. And if you're using accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, Relay's seamless integration means your bills and payments sync automatically, making reconciliation a breeze. When it's time to pay, you have options. You can pay by ACH, domestic or international wire, or even by check. This flexibility ensures you can pay your vendors exactly how they prefer. The entire process is transparent, with a clear audit trail from the moment the bill is submitted to when the payment is complete. Relay's Bill Pay is more than just a payment tool. It's a complete accounts payable solution that helps you stay on top of your cash flow, keep your books clean, and reclaim valuable time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.